Vehicle Identification Specialists, in collaboration with Great Lakes Drone Service, has created an innovative new method to quickly locate vehicles that require our inspection services inside large car lots utilizing an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, which allows us to create a virtual roadmap inside a facility, which in turn makes our time there more efficient. This aerial vehicle recognition system allows for our UAVs to read the vehicle's stock number tag, which is then relayed in real time to our UAV operators, who then create the most efficient workflow for our on-scene inspectors. If you need vehicle identification and/or aerial video and photography services, contact VIS and Great Lakes Drone Service through any of their online platforms. On the web, at www.vehicle-id-specialist.com or www.greatlakesdroneservice.com. They're both on Facebook and YouTube, on Instagram at vehicle_ID_specialists, and at Great Lakes Drone Service. Also on Twitter at Vehicle ID Specs and at GL Drone Service.